Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your AGI Efile reject in TurboTax Desktop so you can get your tax return submitted without any issues. First, sign into your TurboTax account and select Fix My Return. You'll see a screen called Let's Fix Your Returns and then Refile. Here, click Fix It Now or Revisit. On the next screen, enter your 2024 AGI exactly as it appears on your Form 1040, line 11. Make sure you type the number exactly. Don't round it, split it, or try to recalculate anything. Then select Continue e-filing. If you're fixing an IND-032-04 error for your spouse, make sure you use their Form 1040 and enter the exact AGI from line 11. Next, confirm that the number is correct and select This is my 2024 AGI. Follow the remaining instructions to finish and refile your return. If you don't have your 2024 AGI handy, you could choose File by Mail instead. This will let you print your return as is and mail it to the IRS. And that's it. Your TurboTax e-file should go through successfully now. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tax tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.